Help women to believe in themselves.
If this is all you're gonna do, could you make some money?
That's what I'm trying to do.
Roger, over.
You get a microphone and then you put it near your face and then you eat something in a satisfying way.
Oh, okay. That's cute. I have no time for it.
That man has no teeth.
You have no clothes on and you're being videotaped.
Yeah.
With acne cream on.
I have no. I'm gonna wash my pants.
No
What?
pain.
I have to wash my pants. Did you get your teeth out the shoe?
I'm gonna do that right now.
The dryer.
What was that?
Produce content that makes sense. Hey guys, in today's video I will be doing some online shopping. Right now I'm just trying to make decisions on what pieces I want to get, and I know I want it to be a large coffee table because right now I'm looking at coffee tables. I know I want it to be a large coffee table, so I'm just checking for the dimensions. I really love this piece. Like, this one is like one of the pieces I really want to get. It just reminds me of like the earth. It reminds me of like the earth separating. So the only thing, it's only 40 inches, and so I really wanted a large piece because I'm going for a larger couch. So I was thinking, okay, maybe because this piece separate, I can move them apart, but I really love this piece right here, so I just added it to my cart because it's easy for me to remember which pieces I wanted. So I don't want to bore you. I look at a few more pieces and then I'm gonna just get off of the gallery. So in these clips, I'm just looking and comparing couches, colors, textures, and I have been eyeing this couch or this particular type of couch for a while, and I'm just now stuck on the actual texture and tone. And so I did have them send me out some samples. You can order samples a lot of the time from a lot of these different online companies, and I think the samples are free. But this is Wayfair, and they did send me out free samples. I did order like one set, but I had to go back here and order 3 more, but I should have ordered like more, so I ended up ordering twice because I just want to get the color right. So I'll show you guys the ones that I've already gotten from them. So here's some samples that I've received from Wayfair. So this is Conversation Ivory. It's 100% polyester. All of these colors are beautiful. These are just not the colors I like. This is Curious Pearl. It's 92% polyester, 8% linen. Again, not the colors that I'm going for, but all of these textures and colors are nice. It's just not what I'm going for. This one is Shack Biscuit, which is 100% poly. I can't even read that right now, but yeah. Those stools right here, I ordered these stools a while back, and I finally took them out the box. These don't go in here. All of this stuff goes in the living room. The stools, the pillows, anything with gold goes in the living room. But I'm just giving you an actual overview of the pieces I got. These are the ones I am not using. So I put them on the floor because they do not match the color that I'm going for. The color that I'm going for is close to the stool color, which is like a cream color. And so I have some samples up here on top of the stool. And so what I was doing was just matching which ones I wanted or which ones was closest to the store color. So this one right here, the dull natural dull, it's bull, I'm sorry, bull natural, it's 100% cotton. This one is conversational pearl, 100% polyester. Very beautiful colors, all three. This one is classic bleach white, 100% cotton. And the cotton ones are the ones that I am actually like honing in down on. But the only thing I'm thinking about with the cotton, does it, hold wrinkles, or would it be easier to wash? My bed is a linen material, and I noticed that it had a few wrinkles in it from being in the box. But if you look at this Bull Natural, it's like dead on. It might be a little bit brighter than the actual stool, but it's dead on the color that I'm going for. So they also, now I'm comparing the classic bleach white to the Bull Natural, and I put it into the living room, and when the couch comes, I actually have more of a vision, because if you don't get the actual sample, you don't know what you're getting. And sometimes I'm thinking maybe the sample isn't the same as the couch, but I'm praying it's the exact thing, because I would hate to get something and I don't love it. And so yeah, I did order a couple more because I was looking at the Max Buff. That particular color, I really liked it, the Max Buff. Okay, it's late day and I'm currently making up the bed. And it's just a movie that's on. I'm gonna mute it. Yeah, and so I'm currently just making up the bed. These are just some covers that I'm gonna put on the bed. And so I just want to show you guys how the bed turned out. We reinforced it and it looks amazing. I still haven't finished getting everything I need. I have been making big purchases and trying to, gather the things that I need or I want. So yeah, this is just to show you guys. And earlier I was showing you swatches of the couch, because when this bed came, I expected this bed to be lighter, light like the color of the wall, and as you can see, it's not. My side is just a picture of me, my phones. I kind of did this the last time, and my security monitor, and yeah, and some sheets and things. And that I just keep a lot of my cords in that little basket by my bed, and some antibacterial wipes to wipe my phone off when I come in. And over here I just got these flowers. I didn't just get them, but I got them when I went to Marshall's. I didn't really put that vlog in, because at the time I wasn't vlogging about that. But I got these beautiful flowers from Marshall's, which they're really, really pretty. Peonies, I think. This chest that my sister gave me. Those. And I just put this stuff over here. This is not staying here by any means. It's just here now because it's just a bunch of receipts down there, because I actually use Fetch and I get like discounts. I do a lot of shopping. I have kids, so groceries, everything, cleaning supplies. So I just put these two stools there because that is actually going in the living room. And I was trying to match swatches that I got. They sent me swatches of the couch, and I was trying to match it to these, and so that's why that's there. And it's nothing really over here. I just took stuff that I had up here down because I had to go into this chest. And if you want to see in this chest, my sister gave me this chest when she was moving to Georgia. So yeah, it's just a bunch of jewelry in this chest. I mean, tons of jewelry and accessories in this chest. So I really have to get organized, but moving, I kind of just put everything in here. More jewelry in that box down there, and perfume samples. And yeah, so all of this stuff is leaving here, including that flower might stay, that flower might go, but those vases might stay. They vases might go because it has gold in it. And I guess the theme in here will be silver. Okay, guys. And the TV got put up. And I don't know if I ever shot that. Gold. Yeah, it's quite big. Can't really tell, but it's a 65-inch and it's amazing. Bay is in charge of getting things put up. And sometimes that takes longer than I would like, but it gets done. So yeah, I just wanted to give you a quick overview. Again, I still haven't gotten things the way that I want them, but that is still to come. So stay tuned for that. So before you could see the box spring, and the issue was the mattress was turned the wrong way. But I didn't figure that out. He did. Okay. So yeah, it looks so much better. It's still a low profile bed, but you can't even see the box frame. You can't see where it stops or start. And I'll put a before and after. And so it does make a difference if things are not put up right. So he did it. So we're doing some tilapia tonight. And it looks really, really good. Like, this camera really don't do the food just do. We gotta figure out why. Oh, amazing. And then what is this? Ooh, steamed broccoli. Yes, with garlic. I think we can turn this down. Alrighty.
Don't get me wrong, I'm not saying that the girls are not doing their thing, but they're not doing it.